Hello everyone, I suppose you're all doing fine and safe. In this video I'll be sharing with you a very powerful nutrient dense skin brightening smoothie. You can make yourself while at home now to glow your skin from the inside out. This smoothie is loaded with so many vitamins and minerals plus natural skin brighteners to give you that glow from within, fight free radicals causing aging and dullness on the skin, revealing a much more brighter and youthful looking skin. So without wasting your time, I'll take you now and show you how to come up with this smoothie yourself at home. Don't forget to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay looking healthy, brighter, youthful and beautiful. So in order to make this very powerful skin glow smoothie to reveal a much more brighter and youthful looking skin, the first ingredient you need is any vitamin C citrus fruit of your choice, and we'll be going for oranges. So oranges are loaded with vitamin C, and vitamin C helps to fight free radical damage from within. It helps to fight and prevent free radical damage causing hyperpigmentation, age spots on the skin, revealing a much more brighter and youthful skin from within. So we will be using 2 oranges for this smoothie of today. What you need to do is to peel your oranges. We'll be using the entire orange plus the fiber. So the fiber is to help speed up metabolism, so it can easily help you lose weight as well. Fiber is very good to the system as it has so many health benefits as well. So this is your orange peel. You want to dry and make your orange peel powder. Never throw your orange peel. Orange peel is so good to help with brightening of the skin. So what you want to do is to slice your orange into sizes that you can easily blend. The seeds are equally loaded with so many medicinal and healing properties. You want to blend everything like this. So this is the first ingredient, your oranges. The second ingredient for this smoothie will be mango or papaya. So if you can lay your hands on papaya, that is fine. If this is mango season where you are, mangoes are so good. Why? Mangoes are highly rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. Vitamin A helps to protect your cells from damaging, causing premature aging on the skin. So consuming vitamin A is like fighting aging from within. The vitamin C is equally to help glow the skin from within. Mangoes equally contain a little bit of vitamin E to help boost collagen production as well for the youthfulness of your skin. So if you are from Africa, you know what I'm about to do with this seed now. So yeah, don't throw it. You have to eat everything. So now I'll be slicing my mangoes into tiny little sizes that can easily blend in my blender. Mangoes are equally loaded with so many other vitamins and minerals to nourish your skin, leave in nutrients into your system for the proper functioning of your organs, because your organs depend on vitamins and minerals, nutrients to function properly. So that is it. The next ingredient for this smoothie will be pineapple. So I'm not using all of this pineapple. Just watch what I'm about to do. I will use this pineapple 3 times. First, I'll peel this pineapple and wash the peel thoroughly and store. If you haven't seen me using pineapple peel, stay tuned and I will show you how to use your pineapple peel to help boost your metabolism so you can lose weight. You can make your weight loss juices with it. You can make juices to help fight diseases with it. It has so many benefits. So you always want to wash your pineapple peel thoroughly with vinegar. So I'm just from washing my pineapple peel with vinegar. I didn't want to take much of your time. So it is now to be put in a freezer bag and stored in my refrigerator. Remember, never throw your pineapple peel. If you don't know how to use it, ask me and I will link you how to use your pineapple peel. So now this actual pineapple, I'll be using just these 2 slices that I just put down. So I'll be storing like half. Then the middle of the pineapple I will store separately to use to make my detox or weight loss, because the middle of the pineapple is very rich in bromelain, which helps to facilitate, like boost your metabolism so you can easily digest food and lose weight. So as you can see, I am using just half of the sides of the pineapple, which will give me like 2 big cups of this smoothie at the end. So you just need to use half of the sides of the pineapple. The middle of the pineapple you can store and use later on for your detox cleansing smoothies, because the middle of the pineapple really helps to facilitate metabolism, so you can easily go to your restroom and like flush everything out. I don't want to use that word as we are making food, so you can easily poo and push everything out of your system. So yeah, I said it. So these are the first three ingredients. I will be adding one last ingredient. That is because bananas smell and taste like vanilla. Whenever I add bananas in my smoothies, they taste heavenly. It just feels like you're eating ice cream, like, this is your natural ice cream. Besides that, it is equally loaded with so many vitamins and minerals, highly rich in potassium, which is very good for high blood pressure, diabetes, very healthy. So I'll be adding in one banana into this smoothie. So don't throw your banana peels after you like, just use to rub your face. It helps to fight and prevent wrinkles on the skin. So just like massage underneath your eyes, very important. So yeah, you want to now put your ingredients in your blender. Make sure to always wash everything, like repeat. This period now is, you need to be highly careful, like really clean your blender, re-clean your blender before you put your ingredients. Don't take chances. Yeah, so now you want to blend. I forgot ice, so yeah, I'm adding 2 cubes of ice because I want it chill in the mouth, so I'm adding 2 cubes of ice. Yep. You now blend together. Very smooth consistency, looking like ice cream. Voila. Blend. And yep, so this is your smoothie, already loaded with vitamin C, natural brighteners to glow the skin, fight free radical damage causing aging and dullness on the skin, revealing a much more youthful and brighter looking skin. So this is for 2. You can share with whoever is with you, your boyfriend, your husband, your baby. If all your kids are here, you can share into 3 parts portions or make in larger quantities. This is so healthy. This will give you that natural youthful glow to your skin. Share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy, looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.